A fire service worker has been killed while trying to control the fire at Bangladesh Secretariat in the capital. The name of the firefighter who died on duty is Sohanujjaman Noyon. He is from Rangpur's Mithapukur. Another firefighter, Shofikul Islam, working in Tejgaon Fire Service Unit, said Noyon was working in a special unit of their unit. He also said Noyon died while he was crushed by a truck while crossing the road with a water pipe to put out the fire of Bangladesh Secretariat at night. He was rescued from there and taken to the emergency department of Dhaka Medical College Hospital at 3:40 a.m. Later, the doctor on duty declared him dead.